Hi, I'm Lesley Logan. I'm here in my studio in Los Angeles, and I'm back with another collaboration with Andrea and Maida Pilates. This week we're doing another Struggle is Real. This one's on the front splits. And you know, the split series, it's a struggle pretty much anyone you're doing. But the front splits is one of those ones where it actually teaches so many different exercises, and there's so many different ways you can get ready for it. So I'm going to teach you the exercise, and then we'll go over some exercises you can do to help you get ready for this one and enhance it in other parts of the studio. So first you have 2 springs on, and you'll start with 1 foot in your shoulder rest and 1 foot on the foot bar. Now this foot bar leg is really just here to hold you up. You're not going to push with it. I'm going to push back with my back leg, and then I'm going to come in. And you don't really have to go very far because we're trying to go up with the chest. So you get a really nice stretch, but you kind of feel stuck, and that's okay. And after 3 of those, you'll want to go back as far as you can, and then you get to give it a little more juice, which is quite nice. And it really does help open this up. And you need that open because when you go into the second part of the front split, you turn your foot out, and I'm pressing the outer part of my foot into that shoulder rest so I can really get this seat on, because that's the part of the leg that's actually going to move the carriage out, and then my stomach and the inner thigh can help drag the carriage in. And then after 3 of those, you actually reach your arms forward, take your hands behind your head. You can also reach them up to the sky, wherever they're connected to your back, and you push with the back leg. It's tempting to want to push with this front leg, but I promise you, really reach with that back leg and go forward and back, pushing your head into your hands. When you close the springs, you reach your arms down and around, kind of like you would spine stretch forward, and then you lower your knee and you switch sides. So every part of that exercise is actually work. The transition into the standing position to the down position is also like mountain climber on the window chair, right? But how do you get ready for this exercise? Well, you'll definitely want to be doing your knee stretches. I think it's really, really good to do knee stretches with one leg or you have the knee stretches off. I would also do the mountain climber on your window chair. Press downs on your window chair would be really great, or if you have a high chair there as well. And then I would also do standing press downs to the side and going upside, because the reach into this down leg is the same one that you'll learn in the pedal leg of those chairs. Okay, Lesley, I don't have a window chair. Most people don't. So if you're on the mat, your side kick series is really going to help prepare you for this. And if you have a Cadillac, if you can do the standing leg spring series, that's also going to be really amazing for teaching you how to stand in one leg and work the other one. But for more tips, go see Andrea and Maida Pilates video, because she's got some other excellent ideas for you as well. If you have any questions or comments, you can do those below. Make sure you subscribe to our channels so you don't miss any other videos from us. I will see you next week.